everybody, Dr. G here. This is just a quick tutorial on how to make a Jupyter Notebook. So first I click on Anaconda right here. So Anaconda Navigator. This is sort of the software that manages all the different Python packages that get installed in one shot. Super convenient. So, okay. And now I want to open up Jupyter Notebook. So here we have Jupyter Notebook and we click Launch. So Jupyter Lab is something different. Click this one, Jupyter Notebook, Launch. So we note that it opened up this terminal, did that automatically, and then it gives us this thing. So it opened this in the browser. So this is local. It looks like I'm on the internet, right? Because this is Google Chrome. So this is a browser I use, but I am actually local on this thing. So here, if I click on my desktop, right, these are the files I have on the desktop. And then let's see here. So I made test Jupyter. This is a directory I made just for testing this. And then I say new Python 3. So now here I am. Now I'll name this something, my super cool notebook. Rename it. And then here, this is a cell. This is a Jupyter cell. You can control what it is. So here it's set to make code, but let's make it a markdown. So this is where you write text. And if I put a pound and then skip, and then hit space, I can make like a title. So basically, the more number of times that I hit the pound or hashtag, then that's the number of times that it gets smaller every time. So let's do this with big text. This is big text. And then if I hit Shift Return, then it puts the big text on the screen like that. And then here, so this is a code. This is a code cell right here. So if I say 2 + 2, and then if I hit Shift Enter, then we get an answer, right? And so for this assignment, just do something unique so that I knew you really did your own version of this, right? So say like, you know, how about we all put a favorite food in here? So make a markdown and say, you know, whoops. Let's make it a little bit smaller. So I'll do like 2 of these. One of my favorite foods is pizza. Shift, return, and then there you have it. Okay, so if I hit this little symbol right here, that's a disk, and I hit that, it says saves it. So now everything's saved. So, okay, I'm done at this point. So now I can go to, if I want to get out of here, I can say File, Close, and Halt. So I click that. So that closes this out. And now I'm here at this tab again. So this was the tab that, remember, I made this folder and it showed me that I have my super cool notebook. So it did indeed save there. So if I'm done with this, now I can say quit. You have shut down Jupyter. You can now close this tab. Wonderful. So that closed. This thing that opened here, process complete. This is the terminal window that it opened to run this. So I can close that now. You know, I closed it from there. So X that out, and then here I can quit this. So I can say Anaconda Navigator, quit Navigator, select applications you want to close. Yeah, that's fine. We'll quit that. Whatever. We're done. Yes. And so now if I look in this directory, it was empty before, but now look, my super cool notebook. So here we did indeed make it, right? And if I want to open this again, let's say I want to open this again. Now let me relaunch Anaconda Navigator. And that's still launching, okay. Okay, and then if you go here, we go launch. And again, it opens up a tab in a browser, whatever my default browser is. And again, this is the home directory. So basically, this is a step above your desktop, right? So this is less specific than your desktop, right? So if you have like your downloads or your applications, right? But I want to go to desktop, so I go to desktop, and what did I call this thing? Test Jupyter is what I called it. So there's my super cool notebook. So if I click on that, there it is. One of my favorite foods is pizza. This is the same one. Okay, so that's how we do that, and I showed you how to close it already. So I think that's good for now. So everybody make a notebook, you know, give it a fun title, mention a favorite food, you know, maybe you can elaborate more than I did. And then you're going to upload that for this assignment, just so that I know that you've installed Anaconda and you know how to open up a Jupyter Notebook and everything. So pretty straightforward assignment, but let me know if you have any questions. All right, see you soon.